Finance managers, are you drowning in spreadsheets, chasing receipts, and battling approval bottlenecks? Manual expense tracking isn't just tedious, it's a compliance time bomb. Meet the Expense Management Pack, AI powered policy enforcement with customizable rule sets, real time receipt digitization using OCR, multi tier approval routing with deadline escalations, and dynamic dashboards with gap compliant reporting. This isn't just automation, it's financial operations transformed. Whether you're a corporate controller, small business accountant, compliance officer, or FP&A leader, we're slashing hours from your workflow. Spoiler alert, your shoebox of paper receipts just became obsolete. Here's what's inside the Expense Management Pack. Data ingestion with AI-powered receipt parsing, policy validation using configurable compliance rules, smart approval routing with deadline alerts and delegate escalation, real-time expense dashboards with customizable KPI widgets, audit-ready reporting with exportable SOC 1/GAP templates. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists, and it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. From OCR accuracy metrics to approval SLA tracking, we've engineered every component for financial precision. Pro tip: your CFO will think you've hired a secret AI army. Installing the Expense Management Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add expense management pack. That's it. You'll get the complete workflow: receipt parser, policy engine, approval router, and reporting modules with pre-built templates. No configuration needed. Your next Claude Code session automatically unlocks AI receipt categorization, compliance checks, and dynamic dashboard generation. Your team's existing tools inherit smart expense routing and audit trail capabilities. No PhD required, just paste the command. Transform chaos into compliance instantly.